Namaste and good morning to all our audiences, especially in Europe. As we have already announced, Acharya Shri Shashank Goswami will be in Germany from tomorrow night for 1 month, and he is about to present the second part of our series of cultural events featuring Indian art and culture. This series of events was originally planned for 2020. It had to be time and again it had to be postponed because of the coronavirus pandemic. We had hoped now in 2024 to finally make our comeback on a regular basis with this series of cultural events. Unfortunately, things didn't work out the way we were hoping, and now this will be our last and final series of cultural events in Germany. The German government, the German Foreign Office is refusing visa to enter Germany for our children, and they are forcing our kids to surrender their Indian citizenship if they want to enter Germany. This, of course, it's not acceptable neither to our children nor to our family or anyone here. So our children were born in India, they were brought up in India, in the Indian tradition and culture. They have always been Indians and they will always remain Indians, and their future will be in India. So therefore there is no question of them giving up their Indian citizenship just for a few days of visiting a foreign country. So as many of you in our loyal audience may know, our cultural projects are joint projects by Acharya Shashank Goswami and myself. And now our elder son Shri Ram, he's 17 as of now, and he has become an integral part of our projects. He is actively participating in them, and he will be a very important part of our future projects. So as scholars, as artists, as the representatives of Indian culture and of Vrajkala Sanskriti Sansthan, we with heavy heart we have to decide to conduct our future dissemination projects outside Europe, in particular outside Germany and the Schengen area. So if any of you happen to come to India in the future, you are always welcome to meet us here. Our farewell presentations now will take place between 4th and 27th of September. I know at the venues there would be probably no Wi-Fi access, so I won't be able to be there with you. I won't be able to be there online through video conferencing. So let me bid farewell now through this video. We will we will stay in touch. We will remain present online, on the internet, on the social media, on YouTube. And anyway, that should be sufficient, because the administrative court of Berlin is anyway of opinion that for our kids it's entirely sufficient to stay in touch with their 89 years old grandfather who lives in Germany and is too old to travel now, if they stay just in touch through telephone and video call. So we will remain in touch online. And last time, I hope you come in large numbers. I hope you enjoy our events. I request you to come and encourage Acharya Shashank Goswami, come and attend his events. And for the last time, I bid farewell to all of you. Will always keep you in our memories. Goodbye, and once again, thank you so much.